Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This is a beginner yoga class that will help you to stretch and focuses on improving your balance. Begin at the top of your mat. Begin with good posture. Stand evenly between both feet. Lengthen the tailbone down. Relax the shoulders. Let's bring the palms to touch. Connect to the present moment by connecting to the breath. In and out through the nose as best as you can. Inhale, reach the arms above your head. Palms face each other, arms are shoulder width. Recreate good posture. Try not to roll in on your arches. Inhale, look up between the hands, reach. And exhale, bend the knees, forward fold over both legs. Bend your knees, draw in the core for awkward pose, Utkatasana. Bend the knees, reach the arms overhead, still shoulder width. Make sure you can wiggle the toes, draw in the core, shoulders away from the ears. Keep the back of your neck soft. We're going to leave the arms overhead. Press the legs straight. Recreate that posture with the long tailbone, the shoulders down, the core in. Inhale as you look up between the hands and reach. Swan dive forward over the legs. Halfway lift, inhale. And from here, step it back to plank pose. Let's lower all the way down to the mat. Rest your forehead on your left fist. Pull the right foot in toward the glute. We're stretching out the quad. Switch sides. Transition smoothly. Press your hips forward and down to intensify this. Release. Press up to tabletop and back to a child's pose. Bring the big toes together, the knees are apart. Soften down for a moment. Tabletop. Hands are shoulder width, knees are hip width. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. Tabletop, let's tuck the toes and press up, press back to downward facing dog. Feet about hip width, pedal it out, move through the feet. Bending one knee at a time as you press the other heel down. Look between the hands. Let's walk to the top of the mat and relax over both legs. Forward fold. Round up to stand. Okay, balance on your left foot, hands to hips. Step one is you're just going to kind of kickstand. Let's say that's step half of one. This is step one. Lift your right knee to hip width, hands to your hips. Relax your shoulders. If it's available, bring your palms to touch. Pull in the stomach. Stand tall. Relax your expression. 2 feet. Feel the weight transition back to both feet. Balance on the right foot and pick up the left. Start with hands to hips. We're trying to level the hips. The right one might be up higher. Put it back down. Palms touch if that's an option. Two feet. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Bring the palms to touch and lift up. Look at your hands. Inhale again. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale, long flat back. And from here, plank pose. Downward facing dog. Look between the hands, walk or hop forward, relax. Over both legs, knees are soft. And round up to a standing position. Balance on your left foot. This time, hold on to the front lifted leg. So lift the right leg, and we're trying to squeeze the knee in. Standing leg is straight. Standing leg is straight. Hear me say, standing leg is straight. If you need to just leave the toes down, that's fine. You're creating a strong foundation. Hold your knee at hip height or lift it taller as long as nothing else is thrown off, or lift it higher. Two feet. Balance on the right foot and repeat whatever you did on the right side. You can hug the knee into the chest or leave it hip level. Relax the shoulders down. Gaze is soft. Two feet. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Seal the palms. Inhale again, look up at them. And bend the knees, forward fold. Right foot back to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the back foot. Left knee is over the left ankle. Inhale, lower the right knee. Level the gaze, draw the shoulders back. Long exhale, press to pyramid pose, trying to straighten both legs. Lunge, leave the right knee up, back toes tucked, lunge twist, right hand down, open up the left arm. Make sure you can see the whole arm, so it might be out in front of you, that's okay. Left hand down. We're stepping on to the left foot and gonna lift the right. If you want to use a block, or a prop, put that out in front of you. Stand on your left leg, lift your right leg just hip height. If you can have your hands on fingertips, if you can hold your ankle, that's good, but only go to hip height. Forward fold at the top of your mat. Relax over both legs. Round up to stand. Arms overhead. Lift up, reach up, inhale. And exhale, forward fold over your soft legs. Left foot to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the back foot, feel some engagement in the left thigh. Lower the left knee, shoulder blades back. Long exhale, try to straighten both legs, pyramid pose. Lunge. Lunge twist, left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand down. Prepare to stand on the right foot. Lift up, your weight will shift forward. Easier is going to be having your hands on a block or a prop. We're only lifting the leg hip height. Go where you can and find a place you can just hold and not think about too much. Calm expression. Forward fold at the top of your mat. Relax over the legs. Bend the knees. Find awkward Utkatasana. Sit back. Some people call this chair. Palms face each other. Wiggle the toes. Pull the stomach in. Leave the arms overhead as you stand up. Recreate good posture. Feel the weight of the arms and breathe through. You might separate your feet about an inch. We're going to lift up onto our toes. Lift the heels. Try not to arch the back. Shoulders are down, away from the ears. Soft elbows. We're going to slowly lower the heels, but reach the arms up. Leave them as tall as you can as you slowly lower the heels. Look up between your hands. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms overhead. Reach up. And exhale, forward fold. Round up to standing. Stand tall. Tree pose. Balance on the left foot, pick up the right. You might kickstand. Please do not put the foot on the knee. It can be above or below. Find your variation of tree pose. Squeeze the right glute to open the hip. Any arm variation you'd like. Try not to arch the lower back. How carefully can you return to 2 feet? Stand on the right foot, pick up the left. Tree pose. Two feet, 2 capable feet. Stand evenly between your feet. Lengthen the tailbone down. Find good posture. Feel lifted. Feel balanced and calm. Let's close with a breath. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Reach up. Breathe in again at the end. Long exhale, lower your hands down to your sides or heart center. Thank you for your practice. Thank you for joining me. Please let me know what you think with a like and a comment and a subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste.